Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, we have a positive word. How do we say positive in Hebrew? Positive is adjective, and that's why we have masculine form and feminine form. So, חיובי, 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 and feminine, חיובית, חיובית, חיובית. And you can see no Niqqud, Niqqud. So you will get used to read Hebrew without Niqqud. So a pregnancy test in Hebrew would be חיובית. Because we usually say about בדיקת הריון, it's feminine. Pregnancy test in Hebrew is בדיקה, בדיקת הריון. So we would say חיובית. And חיובי, let's say I'm asking you if you want to eat pizza. You can say yes, can, but this is a manner like slang if you're a soldier or you think you're still a soldier. You would say, כן, חיובי. Do you want pizza? חיובי. So positive in Hebrew is חיובי or חיובית. Do you still want me to put links in the description box below? And the answer would be כן, חיובי, חיובי. חיובי. So until next time, you will find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. The basics. If it is your first time or second time or whatever, you will have the option. And until next time, let's have a positive גישה חיובית. גישה חיובית, like how we perceive life, a positive, look on our life, positive, גישה חיובית. See you soon.